Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hey! Today
is our last trip or our last day for this trip.
Definitely not the last trip.
Definitely not the last trip. So come with us. So our first plan was to get on Cheetah Hunt this morning, but unfortunately it's having some technical difficulties. So today we have a couple things planned for you. I'm going to try to take the GoPro on Sheikra and Cheetah Hunt to give you guys a little POV. And what else are we going to do today?
We're meeting up with a friend, so
yeah.
It may be a lot of B-roll.
So we may have a lot of B-roll today, but we are meeting up with a friend who lives down here. So other than that, I think that's what we're gonna have for you today. And oh, some food. We'll have some food, of course. So
always.
Yep. Anyway, so stand by. We will try to get on Cheetah Hunt soon, or we're gonna wait until the other side opens up so that we can get on Sheikra. So stay with us. So Sheikra is closed until 10:30 to run testing. It's our first time here, so we're learning this as we go. So for the first time, whoa, there it goes. Man, you can feel the ground shake. Anyway, it opens at 10:30, so we'll get on then. Right next to Sheikra is the Kariba Marketplace. I bought a shirt in here earlier for myself. It was long sleeve. Sheikra again. But I bought a gray long sleeve t-shirt with all the rides on it in here. And it seems to be the only place that we've really found anything we like. Let's just walk in here in a minute. Out front they have this Busch Garden red, white, and blue USA. Kind of the American flag theme. Feels very 4th of July for $39.99. They've even got cups. And here's the designs of the shirts. We've been asking about this USA one for a couple days now, but they've been out of stock. That's the last shirt in the park, actually. But they've got pins. They've got this vacuum sealed cup for $25.99. Some visors and some koozies for some bottles for $5. Of course, we have stuffed animals and hats and your typical merch. We may have a couple Spirit jerseys. There's the Flamingo for $59.99. It's got a flamingo on the back, nothing on the front.
This is Busch Gardens.
Then there is this mermaid one, which has some fish scales at the bottom for $51.99. The front just has scales on the front, nothing on the chest. They have a giraffe one that says Busch Gardens on the front, but has giraffe and like a glittery thing on the back. How much is that one? $59.99. And then of course they have a light pink Busch Gardens one with a heart on the front, and it is $54.99. So if you're looking for a Spirit jersey, this might be the store to come to here at Busch Gardens. One more thing they have is some Jungle All the Way shirts for $37.99. This is the gray long sleeve. And this is the green hoodie for $59.99. The gates for Sheikra have opened early, so we're gonna try and get on. I'm gonna see if I can take my GoPro. Great news, I can take my GoPro with my wrist mount. I'm gonna have to unhook the microphone and everything, but it is allowed, so we're getting ready to go get on this thing, and you're gonna get a POV. So here we go.
No, they're going.
Oh yeah, they opened early too. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh.
That's crazy. Oh man.
Oh, that was awesome. I apologize at the beginning of that. My harness hadn't quite locked in until we went down. There's like a little locking mechanism. Oh my goodness. Love that ride. There's Ashley. So much fun. Okay, so we just got off of Sheikra. And I hope you guys really like that POV. I do have an issue with height, so let me tell you that right now. But my problem is my harness was loose at the very beginning until we started going down the hill. So I'm sorry if the POV is a little messed up, but I got most of it. So hey, I don't want to fall out. So anyway, we are gonna go try and get on Cheetah Hunt. So we will see you guys over there. On our way to Cheetah Hunt, we decided to stop by and hop on Falcon's Fury. We are not going to get a POV of this, but we're going to walk on and ride. Never again. Ever.
I love it. I think it's really fun.
It puts you 200 feet up there, and if you don't know, it tilts you and makes you face the ground.
No, the weight shifting forward is a little scary because you're like shifting towards it. I think that's scary, but
you think?
It's really fun. I like it a lot. It's fun. We rode it 2 times in a row just now. Fantastic.
She tricked me. 2 times? Yes, 2 times in a row. I don't acknowledge it. It's not a ride. That's a death trap. It's not a ride. Okay, I've calmed down a little bit. It's not a terrible ride. It's not a death trap. But of course, like I said earlier, I am not a fan of heights. So that ride, it takes a lot to get me to go on it.
I really like it. I'm a fan.
Really, it's not terrible. It's the waiting while facing the ground that I'm done. Like, just get me off of this. I don't like it, but I have ridden it 3 times now, and I can't believe I've ridden it 3 times, but anyway, that being said, we are going to take off. We're going to get over here to Cheetah Hunt, and we'll get you a POV of that. It should be a heck of a time. We really like this ride, honestly. It is probably my favorite ride here, Cheetah Hunt is.
I don't know. Sheekra's really great too.
Sheikra is.
I don't really like Sheikra if you're not on the end of the row.
Mm-hmm.
Because the end of the row is very jarring for my head and it hurts. So
Right.
The first time I rode it, I did not like it. So if you catch that video, I'm not a fan of it. But then Brady sat on the end of the row, and I loved it because it was so much more smoother. So
yeah.
Take that as you will.
Yep. All right. Well, we will see you at Cheetah Hunt. So we made it to Cheetah Hunt, and it is 140-minute approximate wait. That is 2 hours and 20 minutes. So we, I think, are gonna go get a quick queue and get on that way. Go, baby. Deuces. Let's go. Oh yeah, wow. That is awesome. Here we go! Hardline! Oh boy! Oh wow! Front row is awesome. Love front row. Wow. Oh wow. What'd you think of front row?
It's scarier.
See you guys after. Hey guys, hope you like that Cheetah Hunt POV. We really enjoyed that roller coaster. We chose to come over here to sign off because you can really see the Serengeti plains behind us with the giraffes and everything back there. And there's a roller coaster up to our left, Cobra's Curse. But anyway, we are going to call it a day. We're going to go meet up with our friend and spend some time with him. And with that being said, we are going to have a review come out next week. And what do you got to do if you don't want to miss that?
Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.
There you go. So that way you guys don't miss any of our adventures. All right, well, I guess that's going to be it for us. So
bring on the next adventure.
bye, guys.